Who knows how long I've loved you? You know I love you still. Will I wait a lonely lifetime? If you want me to, I will. And if I ever saw you, I didn't catch your name, but it never really matters. I will always feel the same. I love you forever and forever. Love you with all my heart. Love you whenever we're together. Love you when we're apart. And when at last I found you, your soul will fill the air. Sing it loud so I can hear you. Make it easy to be near you. All the things you do and dare you to me, oh, you know I will. I will. I love you forever